welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Class. And I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great friend host, Nkupi Entertain. This cover in the sound in so can you wait test the geek or some much. Oh, phone yaga ya online. How we weighing, but it's a put look at your vocal. Uno la cara di sapunya na jepe di cara stembe ka fecha na na rofu. Eva fitso bana di la pele cello personal. So next one is come like a province. Apera stembe ka city. It's come like a city because of Tumelo yena. You feel like unjang about it? No.
Malome. Inza.
Ikudieng mo ditsebeng. Re kana rana re ntsha moya ra lokela go. No tsogela tsile. Lumina SS shoe.
Awanye ke lo ke di tseno na ye.
Lumina SS shoe bana. Ya mathomo.
Di tseno na ye. 8K. Di ba di blue why? I think ba di
Yanga. Uche yanga bra. Tu. Daylight so.
Lena mana ke bone di bontsha ke se. Oh. Na da mana gara ke le betin garke 66 pro le no. Sabela. Bora ke
Passport.
Dijo. Ele foi de gamala after ambu gamala left to no ball.
Ya pipe.
Ele ama ya uche. Ozore muna kana kimi
Pontiac.
Isala le wena.
Street football. Ti ona felela ti. Vano tja Pontiac le sole ba re fa. Ape na South Africa ba rata.
What is this fela mo?
Pontiac Google ama police she di go ditimisha botse. Chamata ke tshelefe.
Go bontsha tsona ka remesh. Ya o se.
Wena go ya ka wena o ka se lo betse chamata for no. Shaba ska iwala. Bo. Oh. Muthonya kulo ko mun.
Ah, sa go dikala tseno. Lo mo ditoro. La ina di jo wena pa.
Ah, le role la single go bya single di sale. Shilu. Awa. Le pancha kwa esta. Ki haitoro langa nani?
Bravo si. Horot money. So, wana mano mulo bigiri inchu kwa kwenye. Amu lugo mra.
Ki moods.
Hey, banna. Yellow bone. Two more.
Yo pela
Yellow to pay like Try blue guy.
Yor. Fuka wa. Seven. Ndi ya dipi. Dipi ija druji. Bona mpile, bona. Ivan.
Boom, bujum.
All the things growing up as daddy had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way. Your mother and me, but things have got so bad between us. I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then, of course, everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will all just be a dream. Now, little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Sniffing at a bullet, little lady, and I told you, and they say don't hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, but they don't know why. Scared I'll be feeling inside. Let me see my little.
You know the way Katra likes live videos on TikTok. He even is like, you drive, bruh. I wanna continue with the live. Yeah, but now Katra is speaking to this timers. Now when all friends like this, you will ring.
I na challenge.
When all friends like this, you bakhala be ba re njuve be le ring.
Alam butchor ke bile sa buka mo chining na. Ka le na bone ke bone.
Hello, good evening. Second location near Kai. Porsche you feel. Polo is, and there's one cast polo. From Sponge. One polo from spawn. It's having high lines which were stepped. And then, what are those on the seats? Are they because they're protecting the car from the rain, or you don't know? So this one sub is going all the way up. These guys don't like carrying anything in their car. Why do their subs go all the way up? Sponge. These ones, you know, our daily car, our daily beret. But now I wanna ride this one. I wanna ride Sponge's car. I'll make a plan that I ride it. Alright. Other than that, we're calling it a day. It's been a long day. That is all we have for this episode of Cast and Senseless. I'm your nice, good, beautiful, good fan of Nkupi Entertain. Signing out. Bye bye.